She was late last night. Past her bed.
Mr. Abasha?
She came home late last night. Past her bedtime.
Dude, I know you're a dedicated dad, but I brought her home at 7 last night.
She walked back home from my 1997 Chevrolet Corvette last night to your doorstep. That's what happened.
Walking back from what?
From you. What?
Don't play with me, you little twerp.
She's home, isn't she?
No, the problem is that she isn't home.
What do you mean?
Where is she?
What do you mean she isn't home?
She was home when you dropped her off last night, but when I went to check her room in the morning today, she wasn't there. The room was empty.
Did you check underneath the bed or in the closet?
What? No, in the closet? What do you mean? You think this is some kind of joke? You think this is funny?
Seriously though, man, I have no idea what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You corrupted my baby girl's innocent, fragile mind. She's probably drugged somewhere in your van.
I'll have you know it's my 1997 classic Toyota Corvette.
I don't care what piece of junk you drive. What matters is where my daughter is.
Cut it out. She was a good student and daughter before you came along.
Alright, I'm gonna try to be nice this time, and I'm not gonna beat your ass like I did the last kid that came around. I'm gonna let you go because you look a little more innocent than he did. I don't want to mess your pretty face up. Not just yet. Hello? She's